सत्य में दो पीछे साइड में लेफ्ट साइड में लेफ्ट में साइड में सामने साइड में लेफ्ट साइड में सोलो चलो साइड में लेफ्ट साइड में आप
Guys, in 5 minutes you'll come up.
So happy to see so many people here. Thank you for all the love. I just wanted to come see your reactions. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Awesome, awesome. Love you guys. Thank you, thank you. It's amazing. Bye. Hello, hello, hello.
Your movie was amazing. And you were really great. Mike, please. Guys, Mike.
Love you guys. Thank you so much. Awesome. Thank you. Bye.
excited follow
I think people are coming out.
Yeah, they come out. We need to go back.
फोटो कर दे नीचे नीचे वॉचमैन भाई योर राइट साइड सेंटर सेंटर लेफ्ट
Thank you guys.
कियारा मैम सोलो कियारा कियारा जी लिट्टी जी सामने मैम योर राइट
Now you are left side.
मैम योर राइट अरे कियारा मैम फ्रेम में आ रहे हो शाही भाई
lot of good response.
Very thankful, very grateful. Thank you.
कबीर सिंह
He's not bad.
Bonds coming, what would you like to say?
And I love you. Okay, bye.
प्रीति जी
I'm feeling so bad. I was late.
कियारा जी कियारा जी आप अरे कियारा जी तो कियारा जी कियारा जी थोड़ा बाहर निकलो
Guys, let them go now.
ओके कियारा जी, सवाल ये है कि टीजर में हमने देखा था कि शाहिद जी आपको डिफरेंट अंदाज में किस करते हैं, आपका कोई रिएक्शन नहीं?
अरे तेरे बहुत टाइम से क्या कोई गर्लफ्रेंड वर्लफ्रेंड नहीं रही है क्या?
नहीं, आपने बताया ना कि पैसा उसी का है, पैसा उसी का है, आपने बताया ना।
मैंने बोला अगर देखना है तो पैसा देना पड़ेगा।
कियारा जी
उसी का है नहीं बोला, वो तूने समझा, ऐसा तेरे मन में वही अटका।
कियारा जी
अरे पप्पी छोड़ के कोई और सवाल पूछे। एक्टिंग भी की इस पिक्चर के अंदर लोगों ने।
एक्टिंग तो हमें दिख रही है, एक्टिंग तो हमें दिख रही है ना, वो तो हिट होने वाली है।
Sandeep sir, this side, this.
नहीं, मैं उम्र में भी बड़ा ही हूँ ब्रो, बोल दे, कोई टेंशन नहीं है। 2 बच्चे हैं, प्रूफ है मेरे पास।
Absolutely, like I just said also, while working with him, there was never a moment that I didn't feel like it was honest. And Preeti is somebody who's more responsive than reactive. She's the opposite of Kabir. So every time I had to feed off that energy, and it was just so easy to work with him because I just had to react. I just had to respond to everything he was doing, and he made it easy for me. And I don't know, I think from day one, there was never any effort that had an added effort or an extra effort that was needed. It just flowed. It felt magical. It was organic, and I don't know, I think he's one of the finest actors that we have, and maybe that's why even such an amazing co-star to work with.
Sandeep sir, this side, to your left. Jyoti from Movies Dada. My question is, first of all, amazing trailer, and Shahid is looking superb. Kiara, you're looking beautiful. And आपके लिए शाहिद पहली चॉइस थी, मतलब शाहिद ही क्यों? Of course, we have no doubt शाहिद is an amazing actor. वो ट्रेलर में भी दिख रहा है. But आपके दिमाग में क्या thought process था to choose शाहिद for this role?
I didn't choose him, it just fell in place. Things fell in place. And actually, it's not the point of first choice, but the moment I came to know that, you know, mutually everybody are interested, then there was no second thought. So it went after that. And yeah.
Hi, Shahid, towards your right. Hi. The trailer looks amazing. You've got, yeah, the trailer looks amazing. You've got compliments from everywhere. We got to know that Prabhas even called and had a word with you and praised it. So, थोड़ा बताना चाहेंगे क्या कहा उन्होंने?
No, actually, me and Prabhas, we get our hair cut from Alim. And Alim was with him, and I think the teaser had just come out. And Alim called me. I actually missed a couple of his calls, and then I've called him back. So he said that, you know, I'm with Prabhas, and I'm giving him a haircut, and he wants to speak to you. And then he spoke to me, and he was very kind. He said that he really, really enjoyed the trailer, and he was happy to see that it's, you know, it has fresh energy, and it's not looking like a copy-paste of the original. And yeah, I was super happy. I mean, it made my day, because I loved to see him on screen, and it was very kind of him to reach out like that and appreciate the film. Also, you know, he is closer to the world that Sandeep has been from, so to get acceptance from somebody like him, because this film is fundamentally for the North audience. You know, of course, it is for everybody, but because we have made it in Hindi, the target audience has to be that. But to get appreciation from Prabhas was very encouraging, because we hope and we pray that the people who have loved Arjun Reddy will also give the same love to this film, because, you know, what they loved is what we've tried to recreate. We've not tried to take away from that at all.
We take two last questions. Huh?
Shahid, hi, Sandeep sir.
Shahid.
Sandeep sir, this is
Shahid straight here near the cameras. I don't know if you can see me.
Yeah, I can see you, buddy.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Shahid, what is the censor certificate that you're hoping to get for this film?
So we're hoping to get a UA certificate. We don't know if we will or not, but we believe that there is no reason for us not to get a UA certificate. I think it's important that today we are able to tell stories honestly without sugarcoating them. I think the audience is mature enough to understand that, and I think the censors also should give heed to that. There is nothing which is putting off in this film. It's an honest depiction, and I think honesty should be allowed to showcase itself.
Also, you know, Mental Hikya was supposed to release alongside your film. Happy that it has shifted now?
Well, we had announced this release date almost a year back. 21st June is something that we had announced very long back. So we were very clear that we're coming on this date, and we were happy that we had a solo release. And then, of course, there was an announcement of Mental Hikya, and then they themselves chose to shift it. I wish them all the best. You know, it has Rajkumar and Kangana. They are fantastic actors. I love to watch them on screen. And yeah, we're very happy that we're a solo release. It's always best to be in that place, and we're very happy to have that.
Also, just one quick question. Who is the other... 1 second. Shahid, who is the other love interest of your film, in the film? The other lady, when you have.
I don't know if I'm supposed to talk about it or not.
You can.
कोई नहीं है.
तू थोड़ी decide करेगा. You can. You can.
Hi, Sandeep sir. Sandeep sir, this is Ravi Gupta from Filmy Fever. ठीक आपके सामने. Here sir. Sir, क्या आप बताना चाहेंगे कि आपने जो पहली फिल्म बनाई है अर्जुन रेड्डी, आपने क्यों बनाने की कोशिश की? ऐसा क्या आपको इन्फ्लुएंस किया जो आपने चाहा कि इस फिल्म को मैं कन्वे करूं ऑडियंस के सामने, और उसके बाद आपने हिंदी मार्केट में भी इस फिल्म को रिलीज किया है. So what has influenced you to make this movie?
Actually, you know, when commercial cinema is ruling the roost, and you know what kind of films are made in Hindi or Telugu or Tamil, and I have never seen a film which starts with a gloomy mood, dark mood, and it goes on for 100 minutes in the film and with the length of 3 hours. Hey, तू क्वेश्चन पूछा सुन रहा नहीं?
ये मारा.
अभी सबको समझ में आ गया कबीर सिंह कैसे बना. सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी.
चलो.
मेरा यूजुअली उल्टा होता है भाई, पास वाले बोलते क्या बकवास है। आपका सवाल क्या है? क्या लेता हूँ मैं भाई, मतलब सवाल क्या है? मैं कॉफ़ी लेता हूँ, चाय लेता हूँ, वेजिटेरियन लेता हूँ। अच्छा, you're saying कि अगर किसी को कोई चीज़ अच्छी नहीं लगती तो आप उस पर कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं? इट डिपेंड्स कि वो कहाँ से आ रही है वो चीज़। बहुत ज़रूरी है ये समझना कि लोग आपको किस वजह से क्रिटिसाइज़ कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज आजकल क्रिटिसाइज़ करना एक बहुत आम चीज़ हो गई है। लोग क्रिटिसाइज़ करने के लिए क्रिटिसाइज़ करते हैं, इट्स लाइक टाइम पास। कुछ लोग हैं जो मेरे जीवन में बहुत अहम हैं, जैसे मेरे फादर हैं, मेरी मॉम हैं, मेरी वाइफ है, मेरे कुछ दोस्त हैं, और जिन लोगों के साथ मैंने काम किया है उनकी ओपिनियन मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है। सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट मेरे लिए होता है कि इज़ द डायरेक्टर हैप्पी विद व्हाट आई हैव डन, because he is the one who has the vision of the film, and the effort is to try and वो जो कहते हैं उसको अपना बना के निभा पाना। आई थिंक वो एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट जर्नी होती है एक एक्टर और डायरेक्टर के रिलेशनशिप के बीच में, बिकॉज अगर आप उसको अपना नहीं बना सकते तो वो कहीं ना कहीं फेक लगेगा, और डायरेक्टर को जो चाहिए उसको किसी ना किसी तरह बना के प्रेजेंट करना ही पड़ेगा। उसके अलावा फिल्म के ऊपर ओपिनियंस होती हैं, इवेंचुअली जब फिल्म रिलीज़ होती है तो आपको समझ में आ जाता है कि ज़्यादातर लोगों को अच्छी लगी या कम लोगों को अच्छी लगी। तो आई ऑलवेज वेट फॉर पीपल टू सी द फिल्म, बट इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग कि कबीर सिंह एक ऐसी फिल्म है, इसका जब पोस्टर आया था, इसका जब टीज़र आया था, तो द नंबर ऑफ कॉमेंट्स ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड ट्विटर, आई हैव नेवर गॉट सो मेनी कॉमेंट्स, इतना ज़्यादा। यूजुअली फिल्म रिलीज़ होने के बाद लोग अपनी ओपिनियन बनाते हैं, लेकिन क्योंकि ये अर्जुन रेड्डी की रीमेक है जो एक कल्ट फिल्म रह चुकी है, जिसकी एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑडियंस है, तो उस वजह से लोग बहुत स्ट्रांगली ओपिनियनेटेड हैं, तो largely I think we got a very positive response. There were some people who said वैसा हो पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा, we are not sure. तो उनके लिए 21 जून है यार, वो 21 जून को डिसाइड करें। We hope that we can make them happy. उसने डिसाइड कर लिया, तेरे सवाल को जवाब ही नहीं मिलना चाहिए, अगला सवाल पूछ ले।
Sandeep,
इसमें हमारा कोई लेना देना नहीं था।
Justin here from PTI. Sandeep, my question is, of course, Arjun Reddy was a smash hit and it really went across pan-India. But there was a criticism regarding the portrayal of the quintessential male, with lots of people coming out and saying that it sort of projects toxic masculinity. It sort of uses anger as a tool to justify what the character is doing. When you were remaking Kabir Singh, sort of Arjun Reddy, were these criticism playing in the back of your head? And to Shahid, are you aware of also this other part of the debate, that the film sort of portrays a man who is reckless and uses the tool of anger to justify the abuse and the assault, that whatever he does? Comments from both of you?
Anger is a very special quality, and there's nothing wrong in using anger as a tool. It can be used, any ways individual want it. So I don't think so any critics or what they've mentioned in Telugu is running in the back of my mind, and yeah.